Why?
Watching TikTok.
You're watching TikTok.
I am.
If it falls, don't even worry about it. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are
You should do like bloopers.
if y'all are new here, my name is Caroline. Welcome back. And we are in Colorado Springs right now because we're gonna pick up Catherine, my sister. We are here in Colorado Springs for the next 3 days because we are gonna get Catherine a car, and I'm college touring Colorado State University. Yeah, we have a lot to do in a short amount of time.
Hello, everyone.
Who's that?
Oh,
Who's cute?
the light's on.
Yeah, who's that?
His ex-boyfriend.
Oh, he looks cute. He's cute. So tell the vlog how you're doing. Great.
It's a draft. Yeah. All my friends pulled up for good vibes. We know that the good vibes could mean gone too soon. We ain't tryna live forever. Just live it up. Baby, I know life's better when I'm with you. We ain't tryna live for. Okay. Hey, whole gang go up when it's sundown. Let this song play while I dance with you. 'Cause one day.
Hey, we finna get a car. Hopefully. Are we leaving? We will. Let's manifest it. Do you want to tell them what you're looking at?
We're gonna test drive a Jeep Compass Trailhawk.
Do you have a second choice? A Jeep Compass Limited.
I really tell like your entry if you were gonna go off road.
That beat come in so hard and so nasty.
I stick to the
Initial. No. That.
It's a squeaky mouth.
How's the back? Is it spacious-y?
Guys, I love this.
Size, yeah.
We can work with this. This is so nice.
This is a nice car.
Look at the moonroof. All right, are we ready, fam? Don't
close it though?
And a little air is good.
Okay.
no type for the box.
Kind of loving her.
Yeah, talk out loud.
Black just looks kind of cool though.
Comforting feeling.
This seat goes so high. No, there's
manual.
There's no buttons. It's a manual. You have to pull the thing. It only goes.
Now you're on the wrong way.
Ow. Okay, mom is going to give us a review. What do we think?
Yeah, I can see.
By the way, my mom is like 4'9".
Good spare tire.
I am not 4'9".
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. That's a lie.
Guys, she's.
Depends. Okay, so
What are we thinking?
I know for me, this
You
is
like the
my
black
opinion,
one?
for lifestyle and going off road and the features you get, I like that.
For this one?
I like the white.
That's what mom would get.
Because it has lower miles.
Black.
It's half the miles.
I know, but also if I do end up getting a scholarship and going to grad school out of here in either like DC or the UK or something, I probably won't be able to take my car. And I think with all the outdoor features that this has, like
Dad
it'll
could
be
really
easier
use
to
it.
sell.
That car would just be too feminine.
If I had,
for Dad.
it's just me. If I had to pick the two, that one. Because
I
love the
choose black.
What do
outdoorsy.
you like, Catherine?
I like the black.
Okay, then get the black.
You have to get what you like. What are we gonna name her?
What's yours name? What's the name of your car?
You know, that's a good question. I haven't named Lucy. That's a good question. Guys, can you drop a comment of what I should name my car? What?
Don't mock that.
Dad.
At the light.
Hey guys, we got the car after how many hours?
About 4.
Anyways, we are on our way to church right now. I'm wearing a sweater over this, by the way, just in case anybody comments. I'm also wearing a skirt from Burberry as well. Dad, stop. But you want to show your outfit?
I'm wearing this shirt. It's got kind of stripes on it.
He's so cool. Yeah, so Catherine is actually a part of the choir. Got a little competition in the family. But we're going to this Mexican restaurant for dinner, and I'm so excited because I've been craving enchiladas, chips, and queso, and all that good stuff. Can you make sure that doesn't fall?
Yeah.
This is my fit, everyone. We got some heels on. Okay, let's go.
This is the stick of wonder.
I'm about to tell the entire world that you're not welcome in my car.
Yeah, okay.
There's an unwanted passenger in my car right now. Hey, this is her car, so she could kick you out if you want.
I'm being held against my will currently. Oh, Teddy, come on in.
Can't eat whole baked cookies.
What's up, kids? So I just had an allergic reaction and I had to use my EpiPen, which I've never had to use in my life. But anyways, I had this M&M cookie and we thought that it didn't have nuts, but it did.
It's so weird that she didn't taste it though. She ate the whole cookie.
Basically my throat was closing.
Yeah.
Bye. Also my lip is swelling right now. Ow, Mom, my throat hurts so bad. Hopefully this isn't like gonna get me dismonetized. Oh, this is where I put my EpiPen in, by the way. I was like, why am I not vlogging this?
It's true.
So then I told Catherine again.
Here's your fresh water.
Thank God I can swallow pills now. Wait, what if I can't swallow pills because my throat is like halfway closed? Right? Hold on.
Yeah, let's see.
My chest hurts really bad.
All that water.
Does it hurt from the drinking? Is that why it hurts?
No. It's like hurting like really bad.
Where did Catherine go?
Is it going? Hey guys. POV are in a hospital room on vacation. So tell them the story.
So it all started with a cookie. And the cookie was delicious, honestly.
No, I'm not
There were M&Ms in it. I don't know how to film.
It was good until I knew, but it was good.
And then we were just driving.
And then what did I say?
Well, you asked if there were nuts in it. We said no, because there weren't. Well, we thought. I really did not think there were nuts in it.
And so I ate it, like
the whole thing. The whole thing. And she didn't taste it, and like you can smell peanut butter, like you know what.
I know.
She knows what peanuts are.
I know.
Did you just feel it?
I thought because it was salty, and usually whenever I eat peanuts, it's like salty, and I was like, there's no way M&Ms are supposed to be salty. And then I like felt it as I kept eating it, and then like.
So you just kept eating it.
I just kept eating it, and then there was a there was a little bit left, and I was like, Catherine, I'm having allergic reaction, and I threw that little piece out the window.
I literally sped. I was going like 100 miles an hour, trying to.
Do I need to pull over? Do I need to pull over? I was like,
I pulled off. Well, because sometimes like if her throat's itchy, she can just take a Benadryl and be fine.
I didn't know what
She's
to
healthy, I think. I don't know how to read this. Fran's actually gonna be a nurse someday.
yeah, Fran, give us the list.
Tell us what it says.
She actually is gonna die from the next 2 minutes.
Oh shoot.
Hey, but here's the most important part. Okay. We're still getting Mexican food after. And that's all I want, so.
She's getting her enchiladas.
Shout out to Hacienda.
Yo, this is my throw up bag. The guy who did my IV literally didn't know what he was doing. And he was poking all over my arm because he was a practice newbie. And I was like, dog. Yo. I got my steroids, I got my drugs in me. I have my IV out. I'm gonna get dressed out of this and then we're gonna go eat that Mexican food. I'm so excited.
Fresh air, feel good?
Fresh air. 3 hours in the ER. Yeah, I'm not trying to hit this pole. The food is here. I have been blessed. It's literally 10:35 and I'm starving. And I would rate this like an 8 out of 10.